Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you really quick how do you choose your size, your perfect size for your love bracelets from Cartier. And as you see, I have a rose gold one here and I stacked them with the Van Cleef Lucky Alhambra together, and this is the way that I use it daily. I stack them daily, so I really loved it. And today I'm just gonna quickly show you how to choose the perfect size for your love bracelets. So the first thing is that you should measure your wrist. So the way to measure your wrist is that for your wrist, there is gonna be you're gonna have everybody has a high point. So shortly after the high point is where you want to measure. So let me show you what is my waist. Really quick. Let me quickly show you how much my waist is. Okay, so here we go. So I actually waist around 14.5, so it's not 415 yet, but this is 14.5. So my wrist is about 14.5 centimeters. So then what love wrist should I choose? If you want a really tight one, you can choose the 15, size 15 from Cartier. And this is actually new. I think several years ago, they only make the 16 size, but now they have 15 size now. So if you want really tight like me, you just go to 15. Like if you have 14.5 or 14, you go to 15, size 15. But I think this sometimes I feel like it's too tight. So my suggestions, and you know, this is a lifetime piece. Sometimes in the lifetime, you're gonna be a little bit, grow up a little bit. Sometimes you're gonna look a little bit skinnier. So I would say 16 would be a perfect size for you if you have a waist like me, 14.5 centimeter. But if you want something like even larger, sometimes they want to stack them together. If you want to stack them on the lower hand like here, you should choose a 17, so you can you can stack some smaller ones on the top. But for me, since I want to stack them on top like here, and if I stack for other things like other bracelets like the Van Cleef or any other ones, I would stack them in the lower hand. I want it on the top. That's why I choose a really tight one. Another thing is that when I purchased this, I am 10 pounds slimmer than what I am right now. So at that time, it's a good size. Now I feel like it's a little tight, but I don't regret. I'm still good with everyday wear. So basically, that would be the suggestion. If you have 14.5 centimeters, you should go I would say go one size up, which it'll be round to 16, 14.5 or 15 centimeters. Go round one size up, 16. That would be a perfect size. If you want larger, then you want to stack them together in a lower hand, then you should go for 17. If you want tight like what I have here, so you just find the right size. If you have 14, choose 15. If you are 14.5 like me, choose 15. If you're 15, I don't think you can choose this one because that's gonna be too tight. I would say you go for 16. So that's pretty much all I have. If you have any questions on this topic, you please feel free to comment down below, and I would be happy to help you with this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.